folks. We're now in our next video in geometry in our playlist in geometry. We're still in our circles chapter, and in this video, we're going to talk about the arc addition postulate. Okay, so carrying on from our last video, we have talked about the major, the minor, and the semicircle. Minor arc, I mean, and the major arc. So our last statement there is that for an ambiguous situation, we will use two letters to refer to the minor arcs and three for the major arcs. But this usage is not absolute. We will show it later that in the arc addition postulate below, which is valid even if PR, arc PR is a major arc. So arc PR is a major arc over here. So this is um, what we mean here. So when we say a postulate, remember that a postulate is a statement that doesn't need to be proven. In other words, it is synonymous to an axiom. Okay, statement which is just self-evident statement, and it is a statement which is obvious. So we don't need to provide a proof. For example, if Q is a point on PR between the arc PR, if point Q is between the arc is on arc PR, then the measure of arc PQ, this one, and plus the measure of arc QR, this one, is equal to the measure of the whole major arc PR. Okay, so that's the arc addition postulate. So provided we have a point in between the arcs, so if we're going to add the measures of two arcs, it will give us the whole arc. Okay, the whole arc from this end to this end. So after this, I'll be going giving you an exercise to answer. Okay, so this is our exercise over here. So here we are in a moment. Okay, okay, here we go. So exercise. So in circle O, okay, again, this is circle O. So in circle O, a line segment AD is a diameter. So it's a diameter. Determine, here we are, this is AD. This is AD here. Okay, so determine just by looking, so by inspection, if each arc is a semicircle, a minor arc, or a major arc. Then find the measure of each. So we will refer to this circle O for this exercise. So we have what is arc AB? Is it semicircle, a semicircle, a minor arc, or a major arc? And then find its measure. Arc AC, likewise. Arc AED, arc CD, and arc CDA. Okay, so I'll be giving this to you as an exercise. In the next video, we're going to answer this. Okay, so that you'll have the answer key in the next video. So kindly get a paper there, any paper will do, and then do this as an exercise. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.